if you're not a Synthetica girly yet, I don't know what you're doing. Hey my loves, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Asia if you are new here, and if you are not, hey girl, come and join the peace lilies. I did another unit for y'all, even though your girl told y'all I wasn't doing no more units, but this one I just had to. If y'all seen my second unit that I installed, which was the Flamboyage chocolate, ate it up. Okay, ate it up, which is the Zelena wig from the What Lace collection. I have on the Zelena wig right now, and this is in the shade 1. Premium fiber, can heat up to 450. Does she tingle? Here and there. I mean, what synthetic unit doesn't tingle? Okay, but it's not how it is, it's how you maintain her. So keep that in mind. Maintaining is key. Okay, so you could be a Synthetica girly. I mean, what are you waiting for? You could be a Synthetica girly. And no, this video is not sponsored, but me and Sensational, I love them. They got me in the chokehold. Okay, it's linked in the description box below, and it's also in my Amazon storefront. I did enough rapping, chatting. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's install her because Synthetica, yeah. So we're going to be installing the Zelena wig. If you guys know already, I know when I did my first wig with the Zelena wig, it was the Flamboyage chocolate, and oh my god, chef's kiss. Flamboyage chocolate is that girl. That is me. She is me. I am her. Okay, so we're going to be doing one which is pretty much like a jet black. I'm excited to see what this is going to look like, because if it's anything like the Flamboyage chocolate, I know it's going to be like this. It's just that girl. And this is Sensational What Lace collection. I just love it because the lace, it gives you baby what lace. Do you? So we're gonna take foundation of choice and place it all inside the lace cap, so that way when you apply this on your hair, it's gonna melt in. Trust the process, baby. Trust the process. Okay. So my foundation of choice, I'm gonna be using my Rare Beauty. Absolutely love this foundation. I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand, just so I could just blend this into the lace. I'm not going to put too much, just enough so it can cover. You want this product to be all on the brush evenly. I be trying to tell y'all, when it comes to the What Lace collection, it eats it up every time. Gonna do zigzag cutting. Now we need to camouflage our lace a little bit. It does have baby hairs in it, but I don't think I'm gonna comb it down. I'm just like out of the phase with the baby hair thingy. So yeah, so I'm gonna blend this in. Pat. You want it to be so camouflaged that they can't see it. Only person that should be in your head is you, but still. So I'm gonna use fine so I can define my part, just to give it an even straight part. Good straight bust down. That's how y'all be saying it. A bust down. A bust down little one. Part is defined, like real defined. I'm gonna take my Andy's hot comb and I'm gonna just let it be a little flat, not too much, just a little bit. Like, all right, don't do too much. But I like to go back and forth in sections so it could just be nice and flat. Pros and cons about this unit. You can heat up this unit to 450. No, this is not sponsored. But I am obsessed with the Zelena wig. It's just, I don't know, I think it's the curls, because it's more so of like a bombshell curl and it's not like too heavy, giving you a fresh blowout. That's why I like it. But it can heat up to 450. You can wash this unit. Does it tingle? It tingles a little bit, but I mean all units does, especially when it's blended. It's blended hair, so you're gonna get a tingle here and there, but it's nothing too major, nothing too crazy. And how I maintain my units, I just use my foam wrap to bring it back to life and run my fingers through it like the curls. If you didn't see the video, I'll link it below. I did do a little video how I revamped my synthetic units. So yeah, definitely recommend 10 out of 10. I love this unit in particular, the Zelena one. That's my girl. I love it. If you've been having questions about this unit, if you wasn't sure on getting it, girl, get it. You will not be disappointed. I absolutely love this unit. I'm not trying to overdo it. I'm just going in between so it could just be flat. But I'm going to take my wax stick and I'm just put a little of this on so we can lay it down a little better. One thing about it, two things for sure, baby. Sensational. Sensational will always be that girl, okay? Whether or not I got a pixie cut or not, I will never stop loving sensational. Wetlace. The Wetlace connection got me in a chokehold. Like, what? Come on. I just love it. And I love when you run your fingers through it, you know, just to get back that body that you want. Do a little twisty twist, okay? Hello, like, talk about it. gorgeous. The whole what lace line is, we here. Okay, we here. So we installed her pretty simple and easy, just with the Got To Be spray, and now she's away just with the Got To Be spray, and she's a glueless unit. Okay, see that? Yeah, glueless. So definitely that girl. Love it. Cute. Because even though we stopped doing like units on our channel, we can still throw it in a little razzle dazzle here and there, a little sparkle. Why not? So if you made it this far to the end of the video, as always, I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching me install this unit. She's cute, and everything will be linked in the description box below. See you guys on my next unit, maybe.